Most of the motorcycles are sold in factory stock configurations but not in Vietnam. Motorcycle dealers in the country sold the Sonic 150 or commonly called RS 150 and Suzuki Raider 150 in the version where the motorcycle's Aries loaded with accessories. The installed branded accessories includes the titanium grills installed on the upper part portion of the motorcycle, new design Anki and Racing Boy Mags wheels, branded brake and clutch levers mostly Racing Boy brand, upgraded bolts and nuts, variety of motorcycle colors with new decal designs. These versions of motorcycles are not yet available in the Philippines, Indonesia and Malaysia. But soon we are hoping that this designs could be released in other Asian countries. The motorcycle engines are still in factory stock configurations. The Raider R155 standard variant is powered by a 147.3 cubic centimeters gasoline engine with fuel injection system. It has a single cylinder, 4-stroke, 4-valve, liquid-cooled, DOHC engine. The Raider R155 standard 147.3 cubic centimeters engine offers 18.2 horsepower of power and 13.8 Newton meters of torque.